Hello friends, today we are here to learn write a program in Python to take a list of integer numbers from user and find the biggest number among them. So let's start. So first we have to take a list of elements or list of numbers in Python. So for taking the list of element we required a list and the list is stored using the for loops. So I write a one for loop for I in range. For example, I want to take a 5 number, so the range is 0 comma 5. Then I have to take the integer number, so I take a one variable, for example this number, and integer number, so I have to do the integer typecasting and input method to take the input from user and pass the message enter any number. Okay, now we have to append all these numbers in a list. So for that you have to declare a one null list. For example, the list name is L. Now there is a one method, append method. So here I write L dot append and pass number. So it includes all the numbers entered by the users. Now if I want to print the list, I print here print L. Now to find the biggest number from the list, I write here print /n biggest number among list is, there is a one method max and I write here the list. So it returns the maximum number present in the list. So now I run this code. You can see that it requires to enter a number. Now I enter the numbers, that's 4, 6, 8, 9, 12 and 45. Okay, so these are the list. These are 5 list numbers and the biggest number among the list is 12. Now if I want to print the lowest number or the minimum number from the list, so I can use the method min in place of max, and I write here the minimum number. Now let's run this code. I pass here 7, 5, 2, 7 and 8. So you can see the biggest number is 8 and the minimum number is 2. So in this way you can find the minimum and the maximum number among the list of the numbers. Thank you.